Apple is about to shake things up in a big way. The upcoming M4 MacBook Air and iPads are set to bring some game-changing upgrades. And if the leaks are true, this could be a massive leap forward. What's new? What's different? And should you wait before buying your next Apple device? Let's break it all down. Apple's MacBook Air lineup has been leading the ultra-thin laptop category, but with the new M4 chip, we're expecting some serious performance gains. And it's not just the MacBooks. The iPad lineup is also in for some major upgrades. The biggest upgrade? The M4 chip. Expect better battery life, faster speeds, and improved AI capabilities. If you thought the M3 was powerful, the M4 is set to take things to a whole new level. Rumors also suggest a potential new color option, a brighter display, and even thinner bezels because, let's be real, Apple loves making things thinner. And let's talk iPads. Apple is rumored to bring OLED displays to the iPad Pro lineup, meaning deeper blacks, more vibrant colors, and an even smoother experience. There's also talk of a redesigned Magic Keyboard that'll make the iPad feel even more like a laptop replacement. So if you're thinking of upgrading, should you wait? If you want the latest and greatest, holding off for the M4 models could be worth it. But if you need a MacBook or iPad right now, the M3 lineup is still incredibly powerful and might see some price cuts soon. What do you think? Are the M4 upgrades worth the wait, or are you sticking with what you've got? Drop a comment below.